What's up, guys? If you want the PDF for this, check out the links in the description, and let's get right into it. Kappa 4, and this is what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, guys? So, basically this song has got one chord progression. Kappa 4, and we got E minor 7 to C, C at 9 actually, mute the top string, and then G, and then we've got this walk down G to G over F sharp to the E minor. Just a bass walking down to very popular country style walk down, and then the coolest thing are the riffs that they do. But anyway, to get the feel of the song, you first have to get the strumming pattern down, which you count as down, 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 down. First, you have to get it with down strums before you start adding the fancy. So with the down strums, it's going to sound like this: down, down. It's like that classic Foo Fighters. I got another confession to make. I'm your fool. Classic rock strumming pattern. So you count it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's the kind of the rhythm. Let's do it slowly on a G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. You keep doing that faster and faster until you get it at a nice, comfortable pace. Then you can go to this pattern: down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down. And these two patterns blend seamlessly. So you get the first one going, and then that's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And if you just do the song with that strumming pattern, you get this. G again. Okay, and the second time you do the strumming pattern for the G chord, so here there's a full pattern, full pattern, full pattern, full pattern, but then here you do just kind of half of the pattern and then go. So just do that bass down, up, bass down, up, down. Into the G. That's it. So here you basically want to strum. You're just going to count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's basically it. Okay, so you're basically going to interrupt yourself to do the walk down. Okay, now to do the kind of country style thing that he's doing, you can use a pick, but I like to use my fingers for this, because I don't have a pick here. Let's just pause the recording and get a pick quickly. Alright, so I got a pick. Basically, you want to single out the accents, right? So the accents here are the big downs. So if we go to E minor, and then do a hammer on the accent. So if you do one with this finger, it's going to be like. Do one with both. Slowly that would be like. that riff we need to go in. But the basic thing to get right first is da da da. Okay, and then the hard riff comes on the C chord. When he does this thing, he goes to the C chord like this. Da, 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 da. So slowly that would be, so E minor is normal. So the C's. You start with the hammer on, another hammer on the D string. So that part's pretty easy. Anyway, so E minor. So you don't actually have to do the slide back. You're just gonna go and then do pull off. Okay, but there you have it. If you put those three ingredients together, the hammer-ons and pull-off techniques is the last thing, and the strumming and the chords, then you're fine. The same chord progression loops over and over again, and in the chorus it's just, they just strum on the chords once, and then just start strumming on the G. But you'll get that, okay. Really good song, really fun song to play, one chord progression song. Love it. Cheers.